Rob here from Media, and in this video we're going to be looking at the animated headline element in Elementor, so stay tuned. At Media, we help companies to grow and thrive using the latest tools, tricks and marketing techniques. From websites to online marketing, automated sales funnels, social media and much more. We're always releasing new content on our YouTube channel, so make sure you click the like, subscribe and notification button to make sure that you don't miss out. Just before we get going, I want to tell you about an exclusive offer we have on at the moment. We're giving away free access to our paid Hub platform to the first 50 people that click the link in the description. We're going to be putting this link in the description of all of our videos, so make sure that you get in there as quick as you can. Within Hub, we have created over 100 training videos in 13 courses, including a course on how to build a website using Elementor. You'll also find recorded webinars and a host of other free content, so remember to click the link in the description. Let's get on with the video. Hello, in this video we're going to be talking about the animated headline element of Elementor. Before we begin then, I've got a page layout of Elementor full width. I've got one section here with one column in, and I've changed the background color of the section to blue. To get back to our elements then, we just need to click the grid here. Let's go and drag our animated headline element into our column. And here we have our options on the left. We're going to go through content and style because a lot of the advanced options have their own videos. So let's go to content. Our first option is the style. There are two types of styles. We've got highlighted and rotating, each with their own settings. As you can see, on rotating we've got animations, and on highlighted we've got shape. So let's just show you a couple of examples quickly. Shapes, underline, double, diagonal, and in rotating we've got this typing kind of animation. We've got swirl. And if we look down here, this animation relates to these text options, so it swirls between better, bigger and faster. Let's go to our highlighted and let's go with curly. So we can change our before text, this page is, the highlighted text, that's where the shape will appear, and after text. So we can also put some text afterwards. So we could put take a look. So this page is amazing, take a look. Exclamation mark. We can link this, so we can put a link in this box here. That means when the user clicks on this animated headline, they get sent to another page. If you are sending them to an external website that isn't yours, go to the cog and click open in new window, because this means when they are done on that website and close it down, they'll come back to this page. We can also change the alignment, left, center and right. I'm going to go with left, and we've also got a HTML tag. If you consider this heading to be very important and it's got keywords in there that are going to help you appear in Google, then I would have this on a H2 or a H3. I'm going to leave it on H3. Let's have a look at our rotating options then. We've got all sorts. Wave. I'm going to leave it on typing. We've got before text. This page is amazing, the best, pretty good. After text, take a look. So as you can see, it's changing. It's going, this page is the best, take a look. This page is pretty good, take a look. This page is amazing, take a look. Again, we've got a link that we can put in here. We've got alignment and our HTML tag. That's it for the content part of this video. I'm going to stop a moment so you can have a go at adding your own animated headline and also changing its content. We're then going to move on to style. Okay, so let's go up to style. And the first thing we have is text color. and I want that to be white. And typography, I'm going to change the font family to Josephine Sans. There is a separate video on how to use this typography tool. You're going to use it quite a lot, so I recommend you go and check it out. Let's close that window. So we can also change the text color of the animated text. So we can click the window, and I'm going to pick our green, close that, and also the typography. So we could put that in the other font that we use, which is Amatic, and I'm going to leave that as it is. So that's how you style your animated headline. Don't forget, when you're done, go down to the green update button, and we will see you in the next video.